We are going to see how to download Java JDK files on our Windows C, that is Windows 7, Windows 10. Okay, so basically we need JDK files in order to run our MATLAB and other simulation related tools smoothly, right? So you will be knowing the reason, I hope. So I will just see how to download those things for free, right? So you can use any browser. So I'm using here Google Chrome. I will just open Google Chrome here, so you can follow or you can do simultaneously with me also. So just type in there Java JDK download. Okay, so you can write like this, then hit enter. Okay, so once you reach here, you can see Java SE downloads, the first link. You just click on that one. Alright, so this is the home page of Oracle. So that is provided by the Oracle company, right? So you will end up here. Then you can see Oracle JDK download option, right? So you just click on that one. Alright, so once you reach here, then you can scroll down a little bit and you will see different files here. So they are provided with Linux ARM64, then compressed archiver file, then you can see different RPM package. So basically Linux packages are more, right? So this is available for Mac OS as well, and a Windows 64 installer and compressed archive. There are two options for Windows. So we'll be particularly discussing about Windows, right? So there are two options, which one should be installed, right? So you just select this one, that is Windows into 64 installer. So you just click on this one, and you have to check this the terms and conditions of Oracle. So check that box and hit download JDK. So once you hit enter, then this will start downloading. Okay, so let us wait for a couple of seconds until it downloads. So I'll just pause the video here. Okay, so once it is downloaded, then you can just double click on this one. Okay, so now it is opening. Alright, so just wait for a couple of seconds here. Okay. So installation is in process. Yes, so we'll just click on next. Then it is saying save in this location. Alright. Okay, so now it is being saved in our drive, right? So just wait for some more time here. Okay, so copying of files is being done now. So we'll just wait for some more seconds, right? So extracting installer. So you can just fast forward this video if you want, or else you can just watch this. Okay guys, so you can see here Java TM SE development kit successfully installed, and click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation, and if you want you can refer those things, right? So I will just close. Installation is complete. Okay, now the next step will be to right, so the next step will be to add the path. So we'll go to my computer, then we'll go to here, so local disk C, then Java. So you can see here a bin file is being opened here. So we'll just open that one, the Java file. Okay, so it will take some time, I think.